Bitcoin is holding strong and bullish momentum may actually be building. Despite a strong sell signal printed earlier, the price has stayed elevated, forming a consolidation pattern just under resistance. Now we're seeing a 74% chance of a pump from the trades in favor, while whale money is riding support levels here. They appear to be accumulating, and if this green line increases, it shows whales are buying and we have support for a major move to the upside. If whales return, we're looking at a move up about $120,000. Watch this one closely because the next wave may be just around the corner. Bullish signals like this are where our members start looking for breakout setups, and we show this in the trade setups page. On top of this, we're breaking down twice a week, every week, major deep dives into the market in our future forecast videos. Most recently, we talked about how a drop in interest rates could crash the market for one last low altcoin grab. Now, for those that don't know, the FOMC meeting is actually today, and we will be covering that. Let's go back over the charts. I think we're going to see a stay in interest rates. If we see a drop in interest rates, long term, this will be bearish. We're covering this in the future forecast videos. I can almost guarantee this isn't going to happen, but a raise in interest rates is going to cause some volatility too. So, if you want to be ready for the FOMC meeting, sign up for a membership at tradeconfident.io. Links are in the description. And watch this future forecast here. Getting started in the analysis, we're trading Bitcoin USD on the daily time frame with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus whale money flow, and trades in favor indicators. At this time, price is consolidating under a resistance just below $120,000. A sell signal printed about a week ago, but price has not broken down, and this tells us, just as you're going to see back here, we may actually be seeing a short squeeze soon. Highly bullish. Structure remains intact after Bitcoin trades in a tight range, building the potential energy of a breakout as we see in the breakout detector. Heads up, once this moves out of the breakout zone, this is where we're seeing really intense moves in the market, and you need to be ready for when that happens. Let's talk about specifically the TC top and bottom finder here. We touched into the red resistance zone with a strong sell signal, and we got a slightly downtrending move, but overall it's basically moving sideways. And now we are reaching potential support on this blue mid line. This is a major thing to consider because previously, as we touch this blue line, this is where massive moves up are suddenly happening. If Bitcoin is able to break above $120,000, this strong sell then converts to a much more bullish signal, and we need to be ready for a bear trap and bull squeeze. Let's talk about whale money. This is honestly one of the most important things to pay attention to. Whale money has been selling out of the market. This is, again, resulted in a very slight downtrend, but at this time, whales have just about bottomed out. This means whales have oversold and are likely to buy back in. And you're going to notice as this green line increases, representing whales buying, this is where we see large moves up in the market. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. So if this reverses back to the upside, you need to be ready for a move up. Last, the trades in favor is flashing a 74% chance of a pump. This means that downwards momentum has likely run out. And if we push into the long trade zone, we're likely to see a reversal and bounce to the upside. Each of these individually, a trades in favor reading in the long trade zone, price versus whale money flow, and I actually forgot to mention a buyer strong buy signal in the market with this blue line acting as support. This creates what's called the bullish trifecta, and most often it's going to send the price flying, and you're going to see this play out over and over again. I don't want you guys missing this, so what we're going to do is set some alerts. Head over to your alerts tab, click create alert, switch this to the trades in favor, watch for pump, once per bar close, and we're going to click create. Next alert will be under the TC top and bottom finder. This time it'll be a buy signal, once per bar close, click create. And the last alert, TC top and bottom finder again for a strong buy, once per bar close, click create. These three alerts are going to help you find the next bullish trifecta. If you get a trades in favor, watch for pump alert, it means the trades in favor has dropped into the long trade zone, downwards momentum has run out, and we're likely to bounce to the upside. A buyer strong buy alert, of course, means you've received a buyer strong buy signal on your chart. Now I can already hear you saying, why don't I have this on my chart? Guys, if you want to maximize your profit, these indicators are the way to do it. If you don't have them yet, now is the time, because if we're able to break $120,000, you will know first and get the best entry possible before that happens. With that in mind, our members are getting massive discounts on these indicators. I'm talking up to $550 off, on top of training videos, twice weekly coaching videos in our future forecast, trade callouts, coin metrics, daily morning brew overviews, and more. What you want to do is head down into the description of the video you're watching right now. Membership is the first link, and you're going to get 25% off your first month. We want to make sure you are getting the best value possible. Now that you're a member, head to the indicator tab, and you're getting $150 off the Pro Indicator Pack. Once you go there, click I want this, throw in that membership code, fill in your information, and all you have to do is click pay. It's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off for your full $550 discount. Go ahead and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident. Guys, be ready for a major move up and short squeeze if we get this bullish trifecta, and I'll see you in the next one.